blush box review is up now on my channel for the month of April 2018. So finally I have got my blush box for this month, and this is the summer edition, and here is my box which has arrived. So let's open this box. So as soon as I open this box, I have the content sheet out, and these are the items for the summer collection. So before I could show you these, let's quickly check out the content. So this is a summer edition, and for the summer edition they have added Last Naturals After Sun Detan Gel. They have added Last Naturals Underarm Whitening Roll-On, Fuchsia Arabian Jasmine Night Cream, Health Wet Charcoal Face Wash, and Bella Voste Gel Eyeliner. So quite interesting products are there in this box. So I think I like all of them, and I'm pretty excited to check out all these. So the very first product in my box is the roll-on whitening deodorant roll-on from Last Natural. This is of 250 rupees. Yeah, okay, this is of 250 rupees. Yes. And what is the quantity of it? And this is 50 ml roll-on. Amazing product what they have thought. And my next product is from Last Natural again. This is amazing one, and this is After Sun Detan Gel. This is of 100 grams, and the pricing is 215 rupees. So this is an interesting product, I felt. After Sun Detan Gel. So if you wish to see the complete review of these items, I will be posting individual and separate video of each product, reviewing it individually very soon on my channel. You can go and check that out. And next product of mine is the activated charcoal face mask, face wash. This is of 100 grams, and the pricing here is, I'm not able to see the pricing here on the product. I shall mention it in the description box below. I'll find it out. I had seen this product online from Health with Bath and Body, and this is the edition in the blush box of the summer edition. Next product of mine is the eyeliner. This is the eyeliner, and this is from Bella Voste, and this is of net weight of 1.2 grams. If you can see this, 1.2 grams. And the shade I have got, is the Caramel Brown 04. And my last product is Fuchsia Night Cream, and this is of Jasmine Arabian Jasmine Anti-Aging Night Cream of 50 gram. And this will cost, this one product will cost around 675 rupees, and this box is of 399. Amazing. So this one single item itself will cover off the price of the box, and you have such lovely amazing other items here, which each one excels out the other. And I'm very excited to review this individually very soon. An individual review of all these will be coming up on my channel very soon. Do watch them out and check them out if you are planning to buy this box for this month. So this is the night cream. Like I've said, this is of a well sufficient quantity, 50 gram, and this is of jasmine oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, kokum butter, aloe vera, vitamin E. If you have liked this video, please don't hesitate to click on the like button, because your likes motivates me more. And do subscribe my channel and click on the bell button so that many more videos are coming your way on my channel and you stay connected. Like always, I would wish you a good health and stay happy, stay blessed, and I shall be back soon with something very interesting, something very new. Until then, take care of your health and bye.